Hi everyone, today we are in Module 1 of Level E. We're going to do Lesson 1, so turn to page 1 in your packet. Our first vocabulary word is digit. So if we look over here, we can see that a numeral is like 123, but each separate digit, each place value has one digit in it. So digits are all of these numbers 0 through 9. And the numeral is if you put digits together, it creates a numeral. But each separate place value has a digit in it. So we can see with place value, we have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So each of these digits is in a place. And the place has a value. So this 2 is in the tens place, so that means that it is 2 tens, so 10 plus 10 is 20, and we can see if we have that there, we would say 20. And then the value, when we look at this, the ones, it's like you do 5 times 1 is 5. Here, 3 tens means 3 times 10 is 30. 700s, you would do 7 times 100 equals 700. Same here, 2,000s, 2 times 1,000, 2,000. And 9 10,000, so 9 times 10,000 is 90,000. So you would say 92,735. All right, so let's get started here. If we look here, we have our different cubes. We have hundreds flats, tens rods, and then ones. So when we do this as review, we can see that we can count carefully with the ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we would write 5 in the ones place. Then the tens rods, we have 1, 2, 3. So we would write a 3 in the tens place. With the hundreds flats, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 separate ones. So we have 4 hundreds, and then you have 1, 2 thousands cubed, so 2,435. Make sure you're taking these notes on your packet. Then if we have this, we have 590 right here for number 3. So in the ones place, we have a 0. In the tens place, we have a 9. And the hundreds place, we have a 5. Well, 0 ones, the value of that is still going to equal 0. If we have 9 tens, that's like saying 9 times 10. So that value is 90. And 5 hundreds is like 5 times 100. So that would be 500. If we look at number 4 over here, we have 4,076. So in the ones place, we have a 6. In the tens place, we have a 7. In the hundreds, we have a 0. And the thousands, we have a 4. Well, 6 ones is like 6 times 1, which is 6. 7 tens is 7 times 10, which is 70. We have 0 hundreds, so that has 0 value. And then thousands is 4 times 1,000, and that equals 4,000 is the value. All right, so for this problem, it says Stan placed these base 10 pieces on a place value map. So we have thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. What number did Stan model? Well, let's count what he has here. So he had 2 thousands cubed, so we're going to write 2 thousands. He had 1 hundreds flat. He had, let's count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So 6 in the tens place, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the number that he modeled was 2,164. So the ones place was a 4, the tens place was a 6, the hundreds place was a 1, the thousands place was a 2. So when we do the values, we would do 4 times 1 for the ones place is 4. Tens place is 6 times 10, which is 60. 100 times 100 is 100. And then thousands is 2,000s times 1,000, which equals 2,000. So we have the place value, and then we know that the place value represents the value or how much there is in each place. All right, on this page, it says for number 5, it says give the place value and value of each green digit. So we're going to look just at the green digit, okay? So the 3 is in the hundreds place. So the place we can write is hundreds. And then the value of that would be 3 times 100. So the value equals 300. The green place here is the ones place. That's 0, the green digit. The place is the ones. The value is 0 because there's nothing there. Number 7, the green digit, is in the tens place. And there's 2 tens, so we would do 2 times 10 equals 20. And then the last one, number 8, the 1 is in the thousands place. And then the value of that would be 1 times 1,000, which equals 1,000. So when you're going to work on your own, you need to understand place value and value of digits. So using symbols, if we have this number, 1,462, and the green digit, there's 2 ones, which equals 2. The digit to the far right shows the number of ones, and you write the value. So that's how you would write the value of that. Okay, then if you have the same number, it says continue moving to the left until each digit's place value and value have been named. So then they went to the 6, which is 6 tens, which equals 60, 4 hundreds, which equals 400, and then 1,000, which equals 1,000. All right, so now what you're going to do on your own, you're going to complete page 3 and then show it to your teacher. Good luck.